Hello, this is Rob Reed of smarterbusinesssystems.com, or SBS-hub.com for short. So in this presentation, I'm going to be discussing the SBS membership process. So without further ado, let me go ahead and get started. So an overview of this screencast is as follows. The first thing I'm going to be doing is discussing what is a business system. Next, I'm going to be demoing the Business Systems Accountability Form as well as the Business Systems Challenges Form. So beginning with what is a business system? So I define it as a set of interrelated tasks used to accomplish work within a business or organization. It is typically based on a framework, it is documented, and has metrics or measurables associated with it. And my reason for defining a business system here is because I want to ensure that the site member, the community members, have a clear understanding of what I mean when I mention a business system. And the types of business systems that I'm referring to, as far as what we use these forms for, are the ones that you are used to operate your business, such as accounting and finance, sales and marketing, customer client, those types of systems. I'm not necessarily referring to specialty type systems, but more so the systems that are used to operate your business. So moving on to the next slide. So now I'm going to demo how to complete the accountability form as well as the business systems challenges form. So let me just get out of here. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the to Smarter Business Systems, the actual website here, and I need to log in. So I need to mouse over the login and click on that. And then I need to provide my login credentials along with the password. And then click on Login. So now I'm logged onto the site. Now the next thing I need to do is mouse over the login drop-down again and click on the Business Systems Accountability Form, which will bring up that particular form. And before I fill out this form, I need to kind of explain what its purpose is. So the purpose of the accountability form is for SBS Mastermind members to go in and complete this form, and when we have our monthly meeting, which is the last Wednesday of every month, we'll discuss whether the accountability goal has been achieved for that month. And essentially, basically, you got the individual and you have an accountability partner. So that's how that's the purpose of this form and how it works. So I'm going to also kind of go over a little bit of the different fields that need to be completed as well. So the accountability due date, which is basically the date of the next mastermind meeting, which in this case is going to be May the 30th. So you want to put that in there. The accountability effort is being applied towards which part of your business. And as you can see, I have this broken out: accounting and finance, customer client, employee HR, information technology, information systems, so on and so forth. So the purpose of this particular question or verbiage is so that you match the accountability goal to the area of the business that it's going to be impacting. So for the accountability goal, I have the goal that I have for this particular demo is going to be setting up an online meeting space for SBS site members. So for that particular goal, I'm gonna classify that under information technology, information systems, because it's the it's the I guess the option that that is most closely matches where this particular goal would be applied within the business. The other thing I like to point out here is if none of these options match your particular business, then obviously you can click on the other radio button and just type in the area of the business that the goal would match. So accountability summary and details. So I already have a document already made up for that. So let me go to my desktop. And it's going to be this guy here. So for the accountability, the short text, I'm saying we're seeking to set up an online meeting space for SBS members. So I'm going to grab that, copy that, and move back to the form here. Oops, sorry about that. I need to go back to incognito and go here. So I paste that in the short text area, and then I need to grab the other verbiage here, the detailed verbiage, which is a little bit more, describes more in detail why this is an accountability goal, which is obviously the first part is the same as what's up here, but then it says some of the key features of this space include the ability to facilitate meetings for 6 individuals at a time, to have both audio and visual capabilities, and to be relatively inexpensive. So I need to copy that, and I'm gonna paste that in the details area here. And then the next thing is how can the accountability goal be confirmed? So for that one, I have this right here, which is this goal can be confirmed complete when SBS site members are able to use an online meeting tool to access the monthly mastermind meeting. So the purpose of this is so that the individual who is submitting the accountability goal should provide some way of being able to determine that goal has been met. So that's what this verbiage is here. And then that goes right in this area here. So once you've completed all of this, the next thing to do is to just go ahead and submit the goal. And as you can see, you got a message thanking you for submitting the goal. And to see that goal, basically you just go to the blog area. And now you can see that goal has been recently posted. So I'll click on that. And as you can see, all of the information that we provided in the form is right here. So what happens at this point is, like, once that goal has been completed, the accountability partner would go in, basically, go over, and read what the goal is, and basically look at this area here where it says this goal can be confirmed complete when SBS site members are able to use an online meeting tool to access the monthly meetings. So if that is the case, then the accountability partner can just basically go in and basically confirm that this goal has been successfully completed and post that. If not, then you basically say, well, this goal has not been met and it's still pending. You can also rate these posts if you like. So that's kind of how this particular form works. So the next form I'm going to show you is the challenges form. So, and again, to get to the challenges form, you mouse over login and go down to where it says business systems challenges form and click on that. And now we have the business systems challenges form. So this particular form is a little different than the accountability form, meaning that the purpose of this form is when SBS mastermind members have challenges within their business systems challenges, I should say, what they need to do is basically fill out this form, provide your business name, select the type of business challenge that it is, whether it's a tactical or day-to-day type of business system or a strategic or project-based system. You also need to indicate if you are marketing to businesses or consumers. And you also need to select the area of the business where the challenge is occurring, similar to the other form. You also need to select the industry for your business, so we can categorize what industry your business fits in. That is followed by, is the challenge software product related? Meaning, do you need to use a software tool to address this particular challenge? So in the case of this particular one, I'm basically stating that SBS is seeking to set up a CRM solution or customer relationship management solution. And in a situation like that, it would be a software product related. So you would select yes for that. The next thing you need to do, when you select yes, then a couple more questions come up, basically asking you about the licensing of the software and the amount you're willing to spend per month. So you need to complete those questions as well. That's followed by the business systems challenge, which again is, in this case, is going to be installing a CRM solution, and in the business systems challenge details. So let me go ahead and complete this form. So the business system name is obviously going to be Smarter Business Systems. Because we're looking to implement a CRM solution, and the implementation of software is typically project-based because it has a due date of when it's going to get done, as opposed to a day-to-day tactical system, which basically has no due date. It's just an ongoing business system. So I'm going to select this one, strategic or project-based. Smarter Business Systems markets to businesses, so I'm going to leave that where it is. If you market to consumers, you would obviously select consumers. The area of where this challenge, the area of the business where this challenge is occurring. Now, I could say information technology, information systems, because that's kind of where it fits. But to me, a better fit would be customer client, because the CRM is customer related. So I'm going to use that particular select that option. But you could theoretically select information systems and information technology and would not be wrong. So select the industry for your business. So SBS is an internet-based business, so I'm going to select that as the industry. Is this challenge software product related? Again, because it's a CRM package, I'm going to say yes. And for software related challenges, please specify the number of licenses to be supported. And basically what the purpose of that question is basically you want to know how many people are actually going to be maintaining the users, adding users to the tool, updating them. So that's what this licensing means. For now, I'm going to just say 1 to 5. And on a monthly basis, how much are you willing to spend on this software product? I'm going to say between $10 and $50 a month. And so let me go back to my form here, and I'll grab the short text and a long text for the challenge. So the short text is, again, looking to set up a CRM package. So I need to grab that, paste that there. And then the long text is looking to set up a CRM package so that SBS can properly manage its customers' information and interactions. This package should be cloud-based and support up to 3 user licenses. The initial cost of the package should not be more than $50 a month. So I'm going to grab all of that. And I'm going to paste that in here. And so now that I have everything filled out, as you can see, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and submit this. So I'm going to click on the submit button. And then I get the thank you message and that it's been posted out on the blog. You can see here under recent post, or you can go to blog. And you'll see it here with all the information. So, and what would happen with this particular post is, let's say, for instance, a site member is using a CRM package called Salesforce.com, and let's say they've had good results with that particular package. So what they would do is they would come in here, they would look at all of the information that that this individual posted. They would say, okay, Salesforce.com can support from 1 to 5 user licenses. The cost is between $10 and $50 a month. And so they would say, okay, let me go ahead and leave a comment here, which is basically, you can click here, just say leave a comment. And you can basically explain why you're using Salesforce.com, how it's impacted your business, and that that it meets the criteria that this particular person is looking for. So that's kind of how that works. And the whole point and purpose of these forums is basically to create a knowledge base for various business systems challenges, so that individuals can actually go in and help each other. That's the whole point of why this is set up the way it is. So that's pretty much how that works. Let me go back to the presentation. So again, this is Rob Reed of SmarterBusinessSystems.com, and I'd like to thank you for watching this presentation, and please have a good day.